It's gonna be a long day today. So many things to do, and let's walk through the things that we have to do.
Hey man, it's 6 o'clock. What are you lying to your fans for?
Yo, what up, people? So today is 16th of I can't do a vlog. I don't know what to do a vlog. How do I do a vlog? 16th of June 2018, and
I agree. Wait, no. Whoa, what are you doing? No.
That's fine.
Zoomed out completely. What a chat.
AM at the moment. Yeah, just back home now. It's nearly in the evening now, so the time flew. It's all the things that happened today, right? And oh, hey man, how's it going?
What are you doing in my house?
Alvin there. Weird than me.
eh?
So this is my beautiful mother, and how are you after listening the book of you?
Why you are asking like that?
Okay, never mind. Yo, what up, man? How's the thing? How's the assignment?
What are you talking about, man? Well, what are you doing in my house?
Okay, we got a couple of
You
about
finished the cup.
about 40 packages today from all the YouTube fans. Yeah, what else? Like, this is just the first vlog, and we're setting up the office here. This beautiful living space, and here you see the beautiful tree.
Hey, vloggers! Hey, look here. Look. Hey, take this. This is what I think. This is what I think of your vloggers.
So he's right now. Alvin is looking to do a website at the moment. Starting to do basic codes in.
If you need a website, you need to start using
Wix.
Sponsored by
Wix.
Thanks, bro.
Wix, is that what the head paint thing is? It?
No, it's the Wix Vapor, bro. You know the.
So, one thing you guys need to know is that if you wanna start something, some idea, think about how you're gonna execute the story. That's the simple, foremost thing, right?
That's a lie. You're completely wrong.
Yeah, so that's the truth.
I disagree. I think everyone disagrees.
Okay, I don't mind it.
I don't think in the history.
But with the story,
I don't
that's
think in the history of anyone. Everyone went, you know what? That guy seems like he knows what he's doing. What? Do this to me?
And that's basically it. It's not gonna be like about 10-15 minutes vlog of the day, but you saw that I literally went out, I came back, right?
Did you literally?
So,
Nice.
so anyways, peace out. See you on my everyday vlog. Peace out. Actually, I'm not gonna do the peace out thing because peace in, bro. Or
Some.